Okay, the last one, the last box from the Roundhouse parcel is the tender kit, the smallest box. So let's take a look at what's inside. Packaging. Okay. Wheel sets. Wheel sets. There they are. Oh, let me go around here. Let me look at it like this. Wheel sets. I run 45mm gauge track, or I run my locos on 45mm gauge track. So they're the wheels. Put them down there. Hopefully they'll stay. Otherwise I'll put the instruction book to them. There you go. Instruction book. Okay, these look like the frames for the tender and the rear buffer beam. Stainless steel. What else we got? Let's dig in here. See what this is. See what this is. No idea. I'll have to use my knife in a second. Hang on a sec. Let's get the rest out first. Okay. Okay. Wow, would you look at that? Preformed tender main body, complete with Roundhouse employee fingerprints, and there is some rivet detail there. Let's look at that. The rear, how that the rear panel flares out like that. Brilliant. Roundhouse symbol in there, and these will be mountings, I think, for the chassis and maybe for radio control stuff. Not sure, but we'll see. This bit, this faces the engine. This faces the rest of the train. Oh, look at the back. I think these are mounting points for lamps. So well pleased with that. Put that down and see how large the locomotive is. What we got in here. Okay, loads of fitting stuff and details. Put them down. Dig around. Okay. Just let me put this packaging out of the way a bit. Yeah. Okay, various other body fittings. I think this is the chassis frame. And we'll see how that fits together. We'll see how that fits together late in the build process. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. Let's have a look at this one. It's well wrapped and sealed. So I am going to get my knife and carefully on the table see if I can open that carefully. Okay. And a bit of coal. It's actually resin. I think this is resin. But look at that. Doesn't that look good? It looks almost real. And that will of course fit into the tender excuse me, once it's complete. So that was the tender kit. Let me put the boxes to one side, and I'll zoom through and go for a closer look again. Hang on. Okay, let's have a run through all the bits. The wheels, the tender frame, tender body with its coal load, various other bits and pieces. This looks to me like the chassis mounting, tender chassis mounting, and again various bits and bobs, fittings. What you see in the middle there looks to me like a handbrake mechanism, axles, suspension bits, and a rear buffer, of course, and coupling. So they're the various bits and pieces that are in the tender kit. In this video we're going to look at the extra bits and pieces that I ordered from Locoworks up in Gateshead. So without any further ado, I'll get my model knife and let's just open the box. If I know how to get in it, probably. Oh, there. There's one. Oh, along the side here, it looks like. Not open it yet, so I'm just as much in the dark as you folks watching. Okay, the proverbial bits and pieces. What's on here? Oh. Enjoy, Jeff, from Tom. I will do, Tom. Thanks very much. Yeah, that's Tom Beattie. He's behind the Locoworks. Okay. So what I did order from them was from Locoworks were some detailed brass tank fillers. Now these tank fillers, let me see if I can get a close-up for you. These tank fillers are much more detailed. I don't know whether I can do that. Come on. Yeah, you can see the rivet detail there, and they actually open. As opposed to the Roundhouse ones, they're sort of like standard things and standard fillers, and not really with a lot of detail. So we've ordered those. Oh yeah, and also in there, the way you can see, there's excuse me, there's some detailed steps. There is some detailed some red-tipped mounting bolts for the buffer beams, and some additional pipework detailing which we'll come across later. So I'll just put them down there. Okay, again, additional various lubrication boxes, sound boxes, and whatever for on the chassis, to give the chassis that little bit of extra detail. Okay, nameplates. These are the nameplates. Can anyone guess the name of my wife? There you go. What else we got? Oh yeah, one of the things that Tom Beattie at Locoworks is famous for is his fire iron sets. Now, if I try and get this focused in, you would think that that's made of steel, but it's actually brass, and it's actually been weathered. Isn't that brilliant? Isn't that brilliant? They'll be going on the Loco. Just put them down there. Okay, I ordered a couple of radio control servos from Tom, because he knows exactly what size and what make and everything. The Roundhouse radio control fitting kit was designed to receive. So I asked Tom to put a couple of those in, which is done. Okay. Another nice touch, again in the detail. This is, as you can read there, it's a fireman's footplate set. There's some additional detail. Additional small shovel and an oil can, and then you can mount them somewhere in the cab area to give and an extra element of interest to your loco. Put them down somewhere. Move the box again. Okay. More radio control stuff. Battery mounting with screws, so we can mount it in the tender. Again, this is the receiver on-off switch and its cabling. Additional bits and pieces for the radio control loom, wiring loom. Getting near to the bottom now. Oh yeah. Okay. I've actually seen one or two of these Roundhouse Georges on YouTube on films, and I thought that the fire irons mountings, the brackets, were actually quite coarse, to be honest. So and I know from my other two locos that I've got from Tom that his lamp iron brackets are much finer detailed. So I ordered a set of Tom's lamp iron brackets, and I'll put them on the loco instead of what Roundhouse gives you, and we'll see how that works out. Let me have a look. Yep, done. So I'll just put the box out of the way, rearrange all these additional details so you can have a closer look. Okay, let's get in there then. Again, what Tom's given me. So these are the tank fillers, various plumbing and bits and pieces for the chassis detail, the nameplates, detailing set for the fireman's footplate, the wonderful fire irons there. Sorry, fire irons and lamp iron brackets, and of course the radio control bits and pieces. So that's it. So probably got no excuse to get started with building now. Yeah, as I said before, I'll make videos along the way showing the build process, and I hope you enjoy watching it. So till the next one, bye bye.